Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we are at Bay Springs Lake. We are at Piney Grove Campground, and technically the closest town is Dennis, Mississippi. We're actually just right off the Natchez Trace. And the campground has way over 100 campsites and just a very awesome place to come and camp and spend some time with family, friends. And we're just kind of going on a little tour this afternoon, so just hang on. Let's take a tour.
Okay folks, we're going to show you an example of some of the sites here. We're at site number 13. Now this site's a little bit shorter, but they have all different lengths. Their sites come with electricity and water. There is no sewer hookup, but they have a really nice dump station. As you can see, the picnic area and grilling area has got a little step down. They have excellent view of the lake. And it's just a really pretty spot, so come check them out. Here we are at the beach and swimming area of Piney Grove Campground. Now it's not currently open. It's been closed for a while due to COVID. Hopefully they'll be able to open it again. As you can see, it hasn't been open for a while, but it's really nice when it is. And here we are with another shot of a site. This is site number 36. So you can have an idea of what this one looks like. And this one is actually pretty close to a boat ramp.
I hope you enjoyed the tour today of Piney Grove Campgrounds and Bay Springs Lake. Hit that thumbs up button for us and like the channel and subscribe. Thanks everybody.